a stream that's local to me, fishing for hopefully walleye, but it's spring, stuff's active. We're probably gonna be catching a little bit of everything, but walleye's the goal, so y'all stay tuned, we'll see. There's a fish. Yep, got one. Probably felt the thump. Oh, it's little. Oh, it's a little walleye. Yep. Right species, just not the size we need, folks. On that there. Yeah. What I'm doing here, folks, just casting out. I got this nice current rake right here from a spillway that's coming down. I'm just trolling this Rapala here, just holding it down next to the water. Felt that thump. Man, is that a smallie? It's good. It's real. That's real good that they're biting. Yeah, did just get here. That was probably like my 6th cast. There's something. Smallie bed. You need that. You come here. Nice. Oh, he was pinned. Nice. There's another fish. Nice. Recording for that one. Yeah, I got the old double out, bud. bad. First cast with this bait. I'll bring them right to you, don't you worry.
Oh man, that's nice. That's a good one.
Nice. Good deal. That's what we're after, folks. Yes, sir. We just got here, dude. That's so right on.
Dude, the bite's good tonight. He's a good one.
That's so right on. Nice. Limestone Bait Co. doing the fucking work, buddy. That's what I was getting them on the one night, too. Not that, but a different color.
That's a keeper.
That's what we're after, folks. Man, I totally didn't get that eat on film, but, you know, keep y'all on fucking pre-record now. Look at that there. What do you got? A little fucking... A little something, yeah, that's what it looks like. See if you can. Oh, no.
There he goes.
It was something, wasn't it?
Yeah, bud.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
Holy.
Breaking in this new stringer. Appreciate that net job.
What?
Appreciate that net job. You like that, huh? That net comes in handy is what it does. Look at that. She ain't going nowhere. Man, she chased that shit down too. It was like tap, tap, thump. Yes, sirree. They're biting tonight, man. It's crazy. A little color change and that's all they wanted. Huh? Oh man. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. That couldn't be more what you're looking for. Sick of it. Man, I ripped it out of the weeds and he smoked it.
You think he's the one?
Oh. He's going right with his buddy. Hell yeah, he's the one. Want you a little number or what?
I'm fine.
He wants you a little dialer?
Oh, you got?
Yeah.
Fucking white girl ain't doing shit.
You're gonna have to double secure your fucking deal now. Need your blue monkey milk. Huh?
I said whatever that is.
Right there, boss.
I think that's the juice.
I mean,
Is that what you cut both of them on?
yes, sir.
Oh shit.
Oh no, I ain't got no more left. Oh, I'm just kidding. You gotta find them down in here. But these are what's working. Make her count, boys. check them. Gotta check them.
Showing off tonight, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. Ooh. One for the basket, boyos. The stringer, actually. Little twitch minnow. Boom. He's a 16. Just so y'all know. Bing, bing, bing. You're on a mic. Might not make the cut. He's pushing it. I bet he's 15. 15 all day. 0 right there up top. Boom. 15 and a half. Ouch. Cocksucker. Bastard got me. Fucking June bug. Holy fuck. Man. 15 and a half, bud. Going home. Unreal. What is that? That's what you're ending the video off on? Unreal. The damn bullhead. Come on. But yeah. Oh man. You gotta love these things. But yeah, we'll end the video off on that. Sub if you're new. Like the video if you enjoy walleye fishing. Can't lie, I got pretty lucky getting 4 tonight, I think. But yeah, fish till like 11 to what, like 2:33 now. What do you got there? 2:27. So yeah, we're calling her there. 2 1/4 inch twitch minnow. Got her done. 2 off of Limito. There it is. Walleye video wanted, walleye video got. Y'all take her easy till next one.
You ended your video on a bullhead.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's how life is. A bullhead.